Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to explain you the chapter Baswa's Farm. This is chapter number 14 in your textbook, and this chapter is related to farming. And here, especially, the example of onion crop is taken, how the farming of the onion crop is carried on. So, here is Baswa's farm. This is how a farm looks like, and here it is onion farm. See how it is grown. In a row, the onion seeds are planted and then it grows. The step by step procedure now I'll explain. First of all, tilling of the soil is done. This is a new term for you children. So please go through the spelling of this term as well as understand the meaning of this term. Tilling is simply turning over and breaking up the soil. That is, soil is turned over, the soil which is below is brought up and mixed up. Here you can see a tractor with a plow, how the tilling is done, and on the other side with the hands manual tilling is done. So with the machine it is with the tractor, and manually the person is doing, farmer is tilling the soil. Then comes the plowing. The process of loosening the soil for cultivation is called plowing. This definition you can write sidewise while watching the video in your practice notebook. The process of loosening the soil for cultivation is called plowing. The primary purpose of plowing is to turn over the upper layer of the soil, bringing fresh nutrients to the surface while burying weeds and the remains of previous crops and allowing them to break down. Okay, so this is plowing. Here in the picture also you can see plowing is done with the bullocks and on the other side with the tractor. Now getting ready to farm. See how nicely, systematically this farm is being getting ready. Rows are there. Now bullocks pulling the courage and the sprinkling of seeds. Now courage, hope you can see here in the picture. Bullocks are pulling the courage. This word is there in the chapter. Kurige. Courage is here. And then coming to the onion seeds, because these are finally sowed in the soil. So here left side you can see black color. On the right side there is onion flower. From inside the flower the black seeds are coming out. In Hindi, this black seeds of the onion are called as the mangral or kalonji. Now this is the onion flower. See how beautiful the farm is looking and how beautiful the flower is also, no? See? Now coming to the onion saplings. The small onion sapling is there. That sapling means children, the small plant of the or the baby plant of the onion. These are taken out and then they are sowed separately in a row. Here is the fully grown onion plant. See? In a row, so nice. The leaves are tubular and one onion is there below the soil. Can you see onion or above the soil? No, it is underground. And this is a complete onion crop. Now, what is weeding? When we put the onion crop, sow the seeds, plant the saplings or the baby plant in a row nicely, neatly, and then there are some unwanted plants also which grow in the farm. It happens in all the cultivation, children. Everywhere weeds are there. So we need to remove the weeds. Weeds should not be there in the farm. So removing unwanted plant that grow around the crop is called weeding, and the unwanted plants are called weeds. So removing of the weeds is called weeding. Why should weeds be removed from the fields? This is very important question. Why should weeds be removed from the fields? Weeds are the unwanted plants which grow along with the crops in the field. The weeds take up all the water and minerals meant for the crop. The actual crop does not get enough water and minerals to grow. So, weeds must be removed from the fields. So, this is the reason. The question can be asked so that you should write at least 2-3 points. What will happen, children, if too many weeds are there, unwanted plants are there? They are taking the water and minerals, as well as the space will be less for the actual crop to grow, and even there will be less sunlight because the shadow and the congested and the too much overcrowding of the crop is there. So weeding is very much important. Now, how the onion harvest is there? Harvest means taking out of the crop from the field. That is called as the harvesting. So, here is the picture of the onion harvest. Then, why should onions be taken out at the right time? This is very important. Onions must be taken out, harvested. Taken out means harvested at the right time. If delayed, the onions will rot in the ground itself and all the hard work will be a waste. So that is the reason that it should be taken out from the soil at a right time. Now here is the picture of the onion crop. These are the green onions, no? We get, no? You must have seen this, and various dishes also we put this. Some of your favorite dishes. Spring onions also we call them. Yeah. Hope you remember your dishes where you eat this spring onion. Give a thought for 1 minute in how many dishes you are eating this spring onions or the green onion. And do you remember in which season we get this? That is up to you to find out. This is your homework for today. Now, onions just harvested. See? So beautiful color, na? I like this color. Yeah. And then is the illage. It is used to cut the leaves from the top of the onion. This term is also there, children, in your book. What is illage? Huh? So this is, and the common name also you might be knowing in Hindi or in Marathi or in any other language, what this illage is called. Here the person is cutting the onion with the help of the illage. And here now onions are ready for the market, stored on the in the sacks, and here the sacks are netted so that air can pass through it nicely and onions don't get rotten. That is the reason onions are put in this kind of sacks, not in the jute sacks, so that maximum of the air can pass through it. Once again I'll show you this complete PPT? Baswa's farm. The chapter is mostly about the cropping of onion. This is the farm where the onion is growing. See how nice it is. Tilling of the soil is done. That is turning up. Then plowing is done and ready to farm. Then properly the seeds are sprinkled so that they are at a proper distance and they grow in a row. This is the flower, onion saplings or the baby plants of onion. Here is the fully grown plant. This is the onion crop. Weeding is important to remove the unwanted plants because they compete for the crop plants for space, light, water and minerals. Then this is onion harvest. It should be harvested at a proper time. Here is the onion crop, spring onion, green onion, and this is more mature, color red or the nice purple color, you can say violet. Here different color. As it is getting dried, the uppermost layer changes its color. And so children, hope now you are going to read the chapter on your own, nicely underline the hard words and be ready for the doubt clearing session where you can clear up your doubts with me. Thank you.